Thanks for being here. First of all, my name is Arjun Jalan, a great cohort, and I want to talk to you why I want to be VP of Finance. It's really simple. It's the most non-glamorous role that is. And what that means is I need to be an efficient facilitator across all the student boards, the student organizations, and the program office. Let me tell you why I want to do that. So I went to college here in Chicago, Illinois Institute of Technology, and I was awestruck by the amount of vigor and the energy that my student leaders had in that specific college, because that's something that's not highly prevalent in India. And charged by this excitement that I saw, I really wanted to contribute back to the community that I was in. And I ended up becoming the resident advisor, academic advisor, and a bunch of other stuff. And I want to continue on the same path and contribute back here, give back to MSB here. It's really a two-point agenda. Number one, you need proper budget allocations, and that requires working with all the organizations, the program office, and the board that we have. At the end of the day, everything these wonderful people are talking about, it requires money. And if you can't allocate that money judicially, nothing's going to happen. Number two, reimbursement system, those are important. I'm sure we do a pretty good job right now, but I want to work with the VP of Technology that we have this year and maybe automate that process even further, make life easier for everybody, including myself. Lastly, let me tell you why I think I'll be a good fit for this. I mean, I've been doing this for the last 3 years without any business experience, managing my father's business, including operations and finance. And I believe with my prior experience that I've already had, I'll be a good fit for this position. I thank you all for being here and have a great day.
So talking a little bit about that automation that you mentioned with the payments and reimbursements, so how do you actually see that working out? And is that something that you see we can do through WorkSync?
Certainly, if I'm not wrong, the current system is that you fill out a reimbursement form, and even for allocation of budget, you have about 4 weeks. You need 4 weeks of prior planning. That seems to me a little longer than it should be, and I just want to work with the VP of Technology. Of course, a lot of this will be working with our current board, Mike. I look forward to talking to him if I do get the position. And I think a lot of good ideas can come across. Everything can always be improved, so I'm hoping I could do that.
Perfect.